मैं प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद अफजल जरगर साहब से अदबन दरख्वास्त गुजार हूँ कि वो इस तकरीब की निस्बत से अपने ज़रीन ख्यालात से नवाजें। प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद अफजल जरगर साहब।
My other colleagues from the University of Kashmir and from the Central University of Kashmir, from the colleges, different colleges, my dear students, very good afternoon to all of you. I'm happy to note that today is science communications in Kashmiri as well as in Urdu. I'm happy to note that under the embed, we are today extending our arms to our society, to our research scholars, to our students. The lives of our common men, lives of our communities, lives of our societies, lives of ours, simple and easy. We have seen technologies develop. As of now, we are living in an era of technology, and technology is nothing but science. We see that in every walks of life, in every segment, science is playing its part. And when we are conducting this festival of the day, we are truly here to exhibit what and how anywhere across the globe, we are able to understand and we are able to know in the real time. That's happening because of this small gadget. And these technologies, internet, has made its way into every sphere. IT has made it into every sphere, be it any subject, be it any paper, be it any kinds of the subject or discipline we are talking about, we cannot escape the science development. There is an integration that has happened. I may tell you that science actually is involved, and science is actually leading to increasing the curiosity among the people. Our main aim is today to agitate our young minds because they are our future, to agitate them so that they will be having and developing the scientific temper. We are only to showcase what has happened, how the science has developed. We are only to showcase, but actual our focus only is on developing the scientific temper amongst our masses. This is the first of its kinds that the Central University is doing under the scope. We will continue to do this. Some of the things, all of you know, is that we have seen advancements in every field. And I will congratulate the program coordinator, Professor Shahid Rasool, for ensuring that all segments are taken care of. During this 7-day long program, we will be almost touching almost all the sectors of the sciences and trying to see how this has developed over the years. I am extremely thankful to all of you for making it convenient to attend this meeting, and would advise you and would request you that this has to be advanced. Also, we have to propagate this. And once we'll be going back to our own departments, we will ensure it that we will horizontally as well as vertically transmit the message that will go from this science festival. Thank you very much. I'm extremely thankful to all of you for making it convenient. Thanks.